Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Ekta. Welcome to my channel Hola amigos. In my last video I have covered verb tenere for you guys, which means to have, and I have given descriptive and brief session about the same, so I request you to please watch that video and gauge more understanding about tenere. Vale. In my today's video I will be explaining verbo ser to you. Verbo ser to you, which means to be. If you are very old to Spanish world, then you must have heard that we are using ser and estar, which means to be. Vale? But there is a huge difference between ser and estar, which I will be covering in my upcoming sessions. But for my today's video, I will be covering verbo ser for you guys. Vamos a empezar. So, ser verb is equivalent to the English to be. In English, the to be which we are using, so ser verb is equivalent to that only. Vale? So it is used to describe permanent conditions. It is used to describe permanent conditions and characteristics, to identify people, things and places. So for all what, so ser verb is used for so many things, which I will be explaining in detail in my current session, so that you will be understanding in detail about ser verb. Vale? So here I have mentioned pronoun about ser verb. So you, we will be using soy. With you, we will be using soy. Then tú eres. This pronoun tú eres. Then él, ella, usted, es. Nosotros, nosotras somos. Nosotros, nosotras somos. Vosotros, vosotras sois. And ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Ellos, ellas, ustedes son. And repeating once again, yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros, nosotras somos, vosotros, vosotras sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Vale? Now I am writing for what all conditions we are using ser with the help of examples, so that you can relate and you can understand better about verb ser. Vale? Now I have jotted down this for you guys, like where we are using ser verb along with examples, so that you can understand how we are using ser verb in Spanish. Vale? So let me first give you the example for identity of the subject. When we are talking about the identity of subject, then we are using ser verb. Por ejemplo, soy Ekta. I am Ekta. Soy Ekta. Remember I mentioned pronoun yo soy. So soy Ekta, I am Ekta. Vale? Este es el mercado. Este es el mercado means this is the market. Este es el mercado. Mercado means market. Vale? The next one is when when we are talking about someone's occupation or profession, then also we are using the ser verb. Por ejemplo, Mira es dentista. Mira is a dentist. Mira es dentista. Then somos estudiantes. We are students. Somos estudiantes. We are students. Now you have to remember this thing, that indefinite article like un, unas, unos, unas is omitted in Spanish when we are talking about someone's profession following with the verb ser. But the indefinite article is used if an adjective modifies the occupation. For example, eres un buen estudiante, you are a good student. Vale? So you have to remember that if indefinite article like un, una, unos, unas is omitted in Spanish, if we are talking about someone's profession following with the verb ser, but indefinite article is used if an adjective modifies the occupation. Por ejemplo, eres un buen estudiante. You are a good student. Eres un buen estudiante. You are a good student. Now, if we are talking about essential or inherent qualities not likely to change, such as nationality, moral attribute or religion. If we are talking about qualities such as nationality, moral attribute and religion, then also we are using ser verb. Por ejemplo, Felicia es cubana. Felicia is Cuban. So Felicia es cubana. La familia de Delia es católica. La familia de Delia es católica. Delia's family is Catholic. La familia de Delia es católica. Delia's family is Catholic. And you have to also remember that adjective and nouns of nationalities are not capitalized in Spanish. So you have to remember that adjective and nouns of nationality are not capitalized. Por ejemplo, here I have mentioned C in small. Now Delia es Católica. So C is in small. Here Cubana, C is also small. So in Spanish, noun and adjective of nationality always comes with small letters. Vale. The next one is characteristic of physical appearance and personality. When we are talking about, we are also using ser verb. Por ejemplo, mi hermano es alto. My brother is tall. Alto means tall. Mi hermano es alto. My brother is tall. Next, Ekta es alto, rubio y simpático. Y simpático. Ekta is tall, blonde and pleasant. Ekta is tall, blonde and pleasant. So Rubio means blonde, simpático pleasant, and alto tall. Vale. Now you have to remember that a person's appearance may change if she has colored his or her hair. Por ejemplo, antes Rosa era pelirroja. Antes Rosa era pelirroja. Ahora es rubia. Ahora es rubia. So antes means before Rosa used to be a redhead. Ahora now she is a blonde. Vale. So a person's appearance may be changed once hair may be colored. So that's why I have given you this particular example. Like antes Rosa era pelirroja, ahora es rubia. So before Rosa used to be a redhead, now she is a blonde. Now she is a blonde. Vale. So with relationship as well, we are using ser verb to indicate relationships. Por ejemplo, ellas son mis hermanas. They are my sisters. Ellas son mis hermanas. They are my sisters. Ayan es ex su marido. Ayan is her ex-husband. Ayan is her ex-husband. Now, for indicating time as well, we are using ser verb. You have to remember that singular form s is used to refer it is 1 o'clock. Remember, singular form s is used to refer it is 1 o'clock. But plural form son is used with the rest of the hours. Vale. Por ejemplo, es la una y media. It is 1:30. Es la una y media. So if we are referring it is 1 o'clock or with 1, we are using singular form s. But with rest of the hours, we are using plural form son. Vale. So son las 3:30. It's 3:30. So we are using son. Vale. Now with place and date of event as well, we are using ser verb. Por ejemplo, mañana es mi cumpleaños. Mañana means tomorrow. Cumpleaños means birthday. So mañana es mi cumpleaños means tomorrow is my birthday. Hoy es el primero de mayo. Hoy es el primero de mayo means today is May 1st. Hoy es el primero de mayo. The next one is with origin possession and the material that objects are made of with the preposition they. We are using ser verb. With origin, possession and the material that objects are made with preposition they. We are using ser verb. Por ejemplo, estos zapatos son de Italia. Means these shoes are from Italy. Then mi reloj means watch. So mi reloj no es de oro. Oro means gold. So my watch is not made of gold. So where we are using this de, so we are using ser verb. So estos zapatos son de Italia. Mi reloj no es de oro. Vale. So with quantity and price as well, we are using ser verb. Por ejemplo, cuánto es, how much it is, cuánto es. Son 2 euros. It is 2 euros. It is 2 euros. Vale. So son 2 euros. It is 2 euros. Now to express impersonal expressions, we are using ser verb. Por ejemplo, es urgente llamar a tu casa ahora. Es urgente llamar a tu casa ahora means it is urgent to call your house now. So with impersonal expression as well, to indicate impersonal expression as well, we are using say verb. So I have given lots and lots of example to you so that you can understand the say verb in a better and descriptive way. I will be soon coming with a star verb and the difference between say and a star verb. Bale, because there are a lot of confusion, like if say and star both means to be, then in what cases we have to use say and in what cases we have to use a star. So I will be coming with my next video to educate about the difference between say and a star verb, and also explain the star verb as well separately. I hope my session seems fruitful for you guys. I will be soon coming with my next video. Until then, see you soon. Adios.